Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Safari and moving quickly. Don't stall. Once Safari is open, disable iCloud Safari Sync so history won't reappear from other devices. Go to System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, then toggle Safari off. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID that recorded the browsing history. Next, keep Safari active and ready. You'll clear the stored timeline and site data directly in the app, which prevents cloud or device restoration if done first. Now in Safari, use the History menu and select Clear History. Pick All History to remove entries, cookies timeline, and search suggestions. Once done, open Safari Settings, go to Privacy, then Manage Website Data and choose Remove All. This deletes cookies and stored caches tied to sites. Wait for the removal progress to finish. Rushing can leave remnants. This combination removes both the visible timeline and the site data that can rebuild history entries or auto-suggest previously visited pages. Finish by enabling the Develop menu, Safari Settings, Advanced, Show Develop menu, then use Develop right arrow empty caches to remove cached resources. Quit and relaunch Safari and verify the History menu is empty. If you still see entries, make sure every device using your Apple ID has Safari Sync turned off. Sign out of iCloud Safari across devices, then repeat Clear History and remove website data on the Macbook. If problems persist, restart the Mac and repeat the sequence to ensure no background sync restores items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.